Hi guys, so I know I'm not the only one that goes in search for matte moisturizers that do or does the job. In this video, I'm going to be comparing La Roche Posay Effaclar matte with La Roche Posay Toleriane Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. So for hand swatch, the blue one will be applied here and the white one will be applied here. Starting first with the blue one, which is the Toleriane Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. So this is what the Toleraine Double Repair Matte Moisturizer looks like. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Let me show you guys what it looked like side by side. So on this side, I have the Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. And on this side, I have the Effaclar Matte. I hope you guys can see. They look about the same. Okay, so time to blend in. I'll start with the Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. I'll leave that to air dry. And now I'm going to move to the Effaclar Matte Moisturizer. So guys, here's what the back of my palms look like. To be honest, both moisturizers look about the same in terms of consistency as well as dry down. So I'm going to go on to apply this to my face for a better comparison. I don't have any single product on my face except my lips, which I have the Laneige Lip Slip Mask in chocolate. I just washed my face and the cleanser I use is right on the screen. If you aren't subscribed to my channel already, now will be the perfect time for you to do so you don't miss out on future uploads, which I know you would be interested in. So it's time for face application. I am going to apply the Double Repair Matte Moisturizer on this side of my face. So now I'm just going to dispense the amount I feel like using. You can dispense as much as you'd like. It's actually a lot though. Okay, so I'm done with application. I'll come forward so you guys can see. So I have the Double Repair Matte Moisturizer on this side, and here is my skin without any single product on it. So I'll give this some time to air dry while I apply the Effaclar matte on this side. I'm also going to go in with the amount I desire. Apply as much as you like. I think I went a little heavy-handed, but that's fine. So I'm also done with face application. I'll come forward so you guys can get a closer view of my face. So here has the Effaclar matte and here has the Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. I'll give them some time to dry down while I go wash my hands. So because I went a little heavy-handed with the Effaclar matte, I got my fan to help me dry this faster. So here has the Effaclar matte and here has the Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. Double Repair Matte Moisturizer, Effaclar Matte Moisturizer. What do you guys think? Do you notice any difference between them? To be honest, there's little to no difference. There's little to no difference. Oh, I have spotted one difference immediately. So I'm touching here. All right. This is the first time I am noticing that this peels. What? I already have it on my script here that this does not peel because I have never experienced peeling. Maybe because I'm applying this on bare skin. I feel like they're the same products somehow, in my opinion, though they don't have the same ingredients. Yeah, talking about ingredients. So the ingredient in the blue one, which is a double repair matte moisturizer, contains niacinamide, glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, ceramide MP, and so on. It is fragrance free and alcohol free. Whereas the Effaclar matte contains glycerin, salicylic acid, which is at the bottom of the ingredient list, so it's not high. In terms of how they smell, there's this slight alcohol scent which you'd notice, but besides that, they smell pretty much not bad in my opinion. So right now I'm contemplating if I should leave my face for an hour or I should, just wash off my face. I'll be back to show you guys what my face looks like. So see you guys soon. So I'll come forward right now so you guys can get a closer view of my face. On this side has Effaclar matte, and on this side has Toleriane double repair matte moisturizer. Double repair matte moisturizer, Effaclar matte. Do you guys notice any difference between both sides? Let me know in the comment section. So in my opinion, there's just a little difference, but well, yeah, it's a little. Well, up close, I don't really see it as a little. The Toleraine side has more shine just here. I'm focusing on this area. Has more shine, especially around here, as opposed to the Effaclar matte. But the rest of my face has about the same, shine going on there. I'm not so shiny, but if you look closely at, this area, that's the middle of my face, I believe. Yeah, you'd see it. Does it make it obvious for you guys? Because I just want you guys to get a closer view. I never said how they feel. They're not drying on the skin. They are very soft, nice, and you feel moisturized when using either of these moisturizers. So now that you've seen what my face looks like after wearing this for over an hour, I hope this helps you decide on which of the moisturizers you'd love to go for or the one you'd want to purchase. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did find it useful in any way, please let me know in the comment section. Like this video by hitting the thumbs up button. Share this video, subscribe down below if you aren't subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching and do have a blessed day.